So this is how to connect your Santa Soul game to your Solana wallet. The airdrop will be launching in the next 4 days. So what you want to do is to come to this section, click on more right here, and you want to click on connect wallet. Now there are two ways to connect your wallet here. You can connect through your Stonekeeper by clicking on verify account right here, and it will go straight to your Stonekeeper here to do the transaction. But as you can see, it will show you transaction failed if you don't have sufficient ton on your Stonekeeper wallet. So basically they require you to get 1.04 ton for that verification. But there is another way you can do it. Now what you want to do is that you want to click on the Solana here, because we want to make use of Solana. Then you want to make sure you go to your Phantom wallet. Make sure you have for your Phantom wallet. So this is it. Let me open it. Now this is my Solana on my Phantom wallet. Now you want to click on receive and copy this, and you want to go back to the app right here, and you want to paste it right here, and then you want to click on add withdraw account. So our withdraw account has been successfully added to the platform. So it's as easy as that. So you can go back right now to this section, and you can just wait to receive your airdrop on Christmas Day. So if you want to join this airdrop, yeah, you can make use of the link below. You still have 4 days for you to be eligible for this airdrop. So as you can see, so far I have gotten 2 Solanas, yeah. So you can join using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you in my next video, make sure you like, share and subscribe.